Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Armourer's Bench. I recently attended the Soviet threat event at Hat Green Nuclear Bunker and spoke to a number of the reenactors and collectors that were present. And you should check out my earlier video on Soviet threat if you haven't already. In today's video we're going to be speaking to Alan from the Military Equipment Collectors Group, who was kind enough to discuss what he was portraying. So, what are you portraying today?
Today I'm portraying a member of the Royal Army Service Corps in 1964. It's the last year of existence of the Royal Army Service Corps, as the following year in 1965 they became the Royal Corps Transport. So everything I'm wearing is appropriate to that year.
The Royal Army Service Corps was originally established in 1888 and was largely responsible for the British Army's transport and logistics. The Army Service Corps gained its Royal prefix in 1918 in recognition of its World War I service. It served throughout World War II, Korea, and a number of post-war operations, and as Alan mentioned, in 1965 it was split into the Royal Corps of Transport and the Royal Army Ordnance Corps.
The Midnight Blue Beret was introduced in the late 1940s, and obviously continues to the present day for Corps troops. The shirt, again, is a 1950s model, which hadn't yet been replaced. It's not replaced until 1964. The trousers are 1960 pattern combat trousers, which are a development of the uniform introduced in the Korean War in the early 1950s, worn with web anklets and the very newly introduced Boots DMS, the directly moulded sole. I'm also wearing a 1958 pattern belt with a Canadian M1951 holster, because the British Army had not yet introduced a dedicated holster for the 58 pattern webbing.
Right. And in there you've got a Browning High Power.
And in there is a Browning High Power pistol, which is a very late war Canadian made one.
English. Cool.
English.
And here's a closer look at Alan's deactivated Inglis High Power. The British Army formally adopted the High Power in the mid-50s as the L9A1, and it's only recently been replaced by the Glock 17. Well, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was an absolute pleasure talking to Alan about his uniform and kit. If you enjoyed the video, please consider supporting us over on Patreon. Tab is an entirely viewer-supported project, and we very much appreciate your assistance. Don't forget to also like, share and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.